What's features highlight about PUREKEA Hammock Chair, Macrame Hanging Swing Chair with large padded cushion and hardware kits. Before you decide to order, we will introduce the features and brief details, including ultimate comfort. This hanging chair comes with a large, fluffy, beautiful, and durable large thick pad that wraps your whole body in soft fabric, allowing your back, legs, hands, neck to relax. Indoor/outdoor use, ideal for home, bedroom, kids' room, patio, garden, patio, deck, balcony, porch patio. You can read, sunbathe, take a nap, relax, chat and enjoy leisure time. The stylish design makes it an elegant addition to your home. Convenient and easy to hang, comes with all the suspension kits you need, stainless steel pad screws, spring clips, and metal chains. The metal chain is height adjustable for easy movement. Supports weights up to 330 pounds. Relax your mind and body, use as a comfortable and relaxing reading or meditation chair, admire the natural beauty, sway and relax in the hammock. Can be used as a great place to rest in the afternoon and before bedtime. Easy to move anywhere, use these hammocks indoors like living room or bedroom, patio, garden, patio, deck, balcony. It's a very comfortable piece of furniture and gorgeous decor. Let them enjoy their leisure time and relieve back fatigue, perfect work of art. If you hesitate or have questions, we recommend that you click the link in the YouTube details, to see all the detail before actually ordering. And of course, we are affiliated with Amazon.com. You can get early reviews of products with little or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter purchasing decisions. If you think our channel is useful for you, you can subscribe and press the bell and select all to receive instant notifications for all future uploads.